guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will create this look with one of my favorite products that I've been using lately. These are all products under £10. They are affordable and really good quality as well, and if you want to see what products I'm talking about, then keep on watching. So let's get started. Now firstly, I have this brow product, and this is from Sleek. This is called a microfine brown pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown, by the way. It's a normal pencil. It's really skinny, as it says, and it's really, I mean, it's just a normal pencil. Okay, so it does come with a spoolie, and as I said, with a normal pencil. I'm not that bothered to make them perfect now because I'm gonna correct them after I'm applying my foundation and so on. And as you can see, it's not too waxy, it's not too creamy, it's just between, which is really nice, and it's really pigmented as well. Okay, the next product I want to try is actually this eyeshadow palette from Catrice. I did try this a while ago, I think it's almost a year. This is the Lavender Breeze. I think the packaging is really cute. And this is how it looks inside. I mean, it's a really gorgeous eyeshadow palette from my point of view. You have some shimmers, you have some matte. As a transition shade, I think I'm gonna use this one in here. This is quite pigmented, which is nice. And next, I think I'm gonna mix these two shades because the last one is too deep and the other one is too light. And I'm gonna use it in here in the outer V. Firstly, I'm just packing the color, and then later on I will do the blending, so don't worry about that. And in this area, I think I'm gonna use this shade in here called Lilac. I'm gonna use my finger. I do like this nice color. It's a mauvey color. Now on my lower lash line already started. I am gonna use this shade in here. But don't worry if it's a mess, because I will do a shape after that. Now in this area, I'm gonna use this shade in here. Okay, I know it looks a mess. I'm gonna do a wipe in here, and I'll come back after I finish the other eye. Okay guys, so I'm back. I still look crazy, but I think overall this eyeshadow palette is quite cute. It does have some really nice colors. Now moving on to the face, the primer I have is this one from Makeup Obsession. This is called the Perfect Picture, and it's a pearl blurring primer. Okay, and I'm just gonna add it on this area on my T-zone, where I just have the biggest pores and the red. And on the rest of my face, actually I'm gonna use this one from MUA. This is the Pro Base Moisturizing Primer, and I'm just gonna use on the outer part of the face because I need some moisture. Okay, so for foundation I have this one from Wet n Wild, which is called Photo Focus Foundation, which is the matte version, and mine is in the shade Soft Beige. It's not my shade, it's a bit too dark, and it comes with this applicator, which is fine. I mean, I can just put it on the back of my hand, and that's fine. Now to lighten this up a bit, because the undertone is quite alright, but it's a bit too dark, I'm gonna use this NYX Pro Foundation Mixer. This is not gonna change the texture of the foundation, it's just gonna change the color, that's it. And to apply this, I'm gonna use my trusted sponge as usual. This has quite a medium coverage, but is not extremely matte. And I do like how it feels on the skin. It's really lightweight, and it just melts into the skin really quick. This is a good foundation, and as far as I remember, guys, this was long lasting as well. It does look really nice, and I'm not bothered about the shade because I can always correct it, so that's fine. I think it's quite alright for my skin tone. Moving on to the concealer, which is one of my favorite concealers since I discovered it. This is from Essence, and it's called Skin Loving Sensitive Concealer. It has no fragrance, no alcohol, silicones, parabens, mineral oil. So this is their like clean range. I do love this concealer. By the way, mine is in the shade 10 Light. It's really lightweight, by the way, and it does have coverage, but it gives you the level of hydration as well, especially on the eyes, because whenever I'm buying a concealer, usually it's for using on my under eyes, and I love it. It blends well so quickly. Like, can you see, like it literally disappeared, but it still has coverage, which is lovely, and it doesn't crease as much as my other concealers, and you can build it up without looking heavy under the eyes, which is lovely. Moving on, I have some cream products. I know, Roxy using cream products. Well, I think I just had to use the correct ones, the good ones, so I can actually like. Because lately, because I have discovered the one from Elf, I was impressed with the quality. So literally, that's why I'm trying more products now. What I'm talking about, I'm gonna do contouring, but I'm gonna use a concealer, and this is the Collection Long Lasting Concealer, and this is in the shade 17 Chestnut. So hopefully this is not too dark for me, but I'll see. I'll play it up a bit. I'm just gonna apply it. Yeah, it blends really nicely into the skin. Okay, I'm just gonna pack this into the brush. I like it. It's a nice shade. Looks alright. It literally dry out completely on my hand. So yeah, in case you're wondering, you just have to move quickly a bit. So let's try to do in here as well. Yeah, was no problem blending this in. Okay, next I don't have a liquid blush, but I do have a liquid highlights I want to try. This is from Sleek, and it's called Highlighting Elixir Illuminating Drops, and I like how it looks like. This is really pigmented, and it's absolutely a gorgeous color, and it blends so nicely. So look how really it looks, guys. I mean, it does blend really nicely into the skin. It looks like skin, seriously. Okay, so now that we used all the cream powders, I'm gonna use some powders. So I'm gonna use on my under eye the translucent powder, baking powder for Makeup Revolution. And then on the rest of my face, I'm having the Banana Light to use. It's beautiful under the eyes. Even being a translucent powder, it's not that lightweight. It's quite a heavy powder, but it does make your under eye look nice. The rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Banana Light. It's fading away a bit the highlighter, but the contouring is still there. Okay, for my bronzer, I'm gonna use this one from L'Oreal. I think this is a gorgeous bronzer. First of all, the packaging looks so luxurious, and inside, this is a huge pot. This is in the shade Free, and it's Latera, I think. Sun powder for face and body. This is huge, guys, and it was under £10. So I'm gonna use one of these brushes. It's looking nice, but I do like the formula. It's really creamy and nice. Okay, for my blush, I'm gonna use this one from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Pinch Me Pink, and this is how it looks now. I think it's a really cute pink. It's quite discreet, which I don't mind. So yeah. For mascara, I do have this one from Makeup Revolution, which is the Mascara Revolution. This is the original one, and this is how the wand looks like. I think it's a really great mascara, to be fair. I forgot about the eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, I do have the e.l.f. G2O H2O eyeliner pencil. It's the waterproof version. Just have to shake this first. Okay, next I do have a setting spray. This is from Revolution, and this is the Strawberry Sizzle. I don't know if this was limited edition or not, but this is a really nice sprayer. For lips, I have this eyeliner from Makeup Revolution again. I'm in love with these lip liners. They're so creamy and nice and so easy to apply. Mine is in the shade Rose, and these are called Satin Kiss lip liners. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use this one. This is from Maybelline New York, and it's called Nocturnal Rose in the shade 10. This is a matte lipstick, but I love the shade, guys. It's a gorgeous shade. As you can see, gorgeous shade. And for my lip gloss, I'm gonna use this one from Rimmel London, guys. And it's called Oh My Gloss, and it's in the shade Stay My Rose. It's a pinky shade, but it's really sheer, so that's fine. It has a bit of a glitter, slightly. I'm just gonna pop up some lashes and I'll come back with the finished look. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the finished look. So what do you guys think? I think overall is a really nice look. I mean, I like how the eyeshadow looks like, how everything sits on my face. And for under £10 products, I think they perform really well. I mean, I like them anyway. Now let me know in the comments down below if you actually tried any of these products and how they perform with you. If you like them or not, if you had any issues, any problems, apply them, because as I said, these are one of my favorite products that I'm using currently, and I have no issues with them. This lash is a bit, just don't want to stay how I like to, and I think they're a bit too big for the look I've created today, but that's absolutely fine. I definitely recommend these products to try on if you haven't. Now, thank you very much for watching today, guys. As usual, if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're new as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.